Why is Hennessy Pure White illegal in the United States?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a question that has stumped many a cognac connoisseur. Why is Hennessy Pure White illegal in the United States? Now, it's important to clear something up right away. Hennessy Pure White isn't actually illegal, but it is unavailable for direct sale in the US. Let's unravel this mystery together.
What is Hennessy Pure White?
Hennessy Pure White, or HPW, is a light, subtle, and versatile cognac produced by the world-renowned cognac house, Hennessy. Distinct from its darker counterparts, this cognac is characterized by a fresh, fruity, and crisp flavor, making it a popular choice among cognac enthusiasts. It's particularly favored in warm climates and for mixed drinks.
Why isn't Hennessy Pure White sold in the US?
Despite the widespread popularity of Hennessy products, Pure White isn't directly available for sale in the US. This isn't because it's illegal, but rather due to marketing and distribution decisions made by Hennessy. The company has chosen to sell this particular product exclusively in the Caribbean and some parts of Europe. It's speculated that this is a strategy to add an element of exclusivity to the product.
Can I get Hennessy Pure White in the US?
Despite its limited availability, you can still get Hennessy Pure White in the US, it's just not as straightforward. Since it's not illegal, it can be personally imported or purchased through secondary markets, though these methods might lead to inflated prices due to its perceived rarity. However, keep in mind that personal importation should always comply with local regulations and customs laws. So, in summary, Hennessy Pure White isn't illegal in the US, but rather a victim of its own exclusivity, making it somewhat of a white whale for cognac enthusiasts. We hope this video has cleared up some of the mystery surrounding this elusive spirit. Happy sipping, and remember to always drink responsibly.